Alright guys, so I've heard a lot of guys say, people say in general, that they can't do pull-ups because they're not in an area where there's a pull-up bar, or there's not a weight room or a gym, and they can't do pull-ups because, well, that's the reason they're out of shape. I mean, you can't do pull-ups if you don't have the right equipment, right? No, I'm sorry, that's a load of crap. So, today I'm going to show you how you can do pull-ups just about anywhere where there are trees, and as you know, there are trees over most of the world, at least most of North America, so I'm going to show you how to do that, so stay tuned, we're going to go find some trees, let's do it! Guys, so I am out in my favorite place in the world, not actually in the world, because there are places I like a lot better, but I am out in the back 40. I am in a nice wooded area. Oh, she's so sexy. Look at her chilling back there. Can you see her? She's right there. She's so pretty. Okay, so I took my motorcycle out here. I'm kind of out in the middle of nowhere right now. I don't have any equipment. I got my workout shirt on, but I got jeans and boots on like I always wear. I'm going to show you how to do pull-ups on trees. So let's go find some trees that we can do pull-ups on. I'm going to show you how to do it on at least 3 different kinds of trees, maybe 4 or 5 if I find some good ones, but I'm going to show you how to do that on straight up and down trees, on nice lateral branches, and on a couple of trees together. At least those 3. So, stay tuned. Poison oak is the stupidest thing ever. Dude, it's everywhere. It can be a tree, a shrub, a bush. Look at this. Here's poison oak standing straight up, and here's poison oak coming straight down from the tree. Like, what the frick, bro? Like, I can't do anything around here. So, I see a good one. What do we got here? We got a good lateral branch coming out. It's a little scrubby, but hey, ain't nothing gonna stop you if you actually want to get your swole on, get your workout in. So, I'm gonna use, ooh, what's poking me in the back? I'm gonna use this awesome lateral branch coming off right here. It's got a bunch of stuff growing on it, but that's okay. Or maybe I'll use that one. I don't know, I'll use one of these. So let's see what we got here. I have my magical branch. Guess what I can do now? Pull-ups. It's that simple to do pull-ups on a tree. Now let's see how we can do it if all we got are trees that are going straight up and down. So let's do that. All right, here we go. I found a tree. Found one I'm going to use. This little guy right here, sticking straight up out of the ground. It's about, what? It's about the width of my fist, roughly. So now I'm going to show you how to do pull-ups when all you can find is one of these guys. So what you got to do, you're just simply going to grab the tree, 2 hands. You're going to pull up, 1. This is a lot harder than it looks. Guys, one thing to note about pull-ups on straight up and down trees is that not only is it going to take a lot of grip strength, because you're kind of choking out the tree, but it's going to take a lot of upper back strength because you got to hold your body away from the tree, and you're not going to be able to get past a 90-degree angle simply because there's a tree down below you, or in between you, I should say. So they're going to be a little bit different, but you can still totally do them. They're going to get you a great and really challenging exercise. So that is number 2 on the tree pull-ups that we're going to do. All right, guys, so doing pull-ups on these kind of trees is actually a lot of fun. I like doing these. So all you're going to do, jump up, grab a good grip on either tree, and pull up. One great thing about this is it allows you to do pull-ups on vertical trees that are too big for you to grip in like a chokehold. So, like you saw, I used my shoulder muscles to kind of push inwards to get me the grip on the trees I needed to be able to pull myself up. All right, guys, so those are 3 ways you can do pull-ups with no pull-up bar, no equipment. All you need are some trees, and most of you guys, except those poor mofos in 29 Palms, I feel for you, bro. I've been there. I don't like it. Don't do it. But except for those guys and those guys in the desert, freaking, you can do pull-ups anywhere as long as you got a tree. to find and tree to work on. You can do it with horizontal branches. You can do it with a single vertical tree or 2 vertical trees. Great ways to get upper back workout in, shoulders worked out, freaking biceps. You can do everything. There you go, guys. Those are the 3 ways to do pull-ups. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable. Hopefully you found this informative. So hit that subscribe button. I come out with videos all the time. I'm coming out with another video in like a day or 2. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications button, and freaking have a great day and stay in shape. Oorah!